to deliver a speech in English.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. Good morning everyone, respected chief guests, principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Ghazal Alia, daughter of Abdul Qayyum. Today first of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day for all of us, because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. In 2025 we are celebrating 78th National Independence Day of India. This independence we got was a result of lot of sacrifices and struggles of our great freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Tipu Sultan, Hyder Ali. Independence Day is not just a celebration of our past, but a reminder of the responsibilities we carry as a citizen of a free nation this year. We celebrate under the theme Nation First, Always First, reflecting our commitment to putting our country above all else. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. On this day, the national flag hosted at every public place. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah, such a beautiful speech presented by Alia. Now, I would like to invite Abdullah, son of Roshan, from 6th class to deliver a speech in English. Walaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to all respected chief guests, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today we are proud to celebrate the 15th of August, our Independence Day. On this day, in 1947, India became free after struggle and sacrifices. Our freedom fighters faced great hardships, yet they never grew up. Their bravery gave up the right to live with dignity. Now it's our duty to protect this freedom. By being responsible citizens, let us work together a better, cleaner and stronger India. Let's honor our path to build a bright future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. MashaAllah, such a beautiful speech presented by Abdullah.